Hello everyone, it is John and we are looking at the first incarnation of I believe it's the Brigantine. I think it has now been updated. This is the first incarnation, and as you can see it has 3 levels. And this one has been put together, and it is the perfect boat for those people who like to play, for instance, Dungeons and Dragons. Now this one has been put together for me and has been given to me, and I thought that I would show you just how versatile this particular model is. Now most of the people, believe it or not, who buy this use it for Dungeons and Dragons, and as you can see I'm using these original plastic models from D&D, and they fit very nicely for the size, so they are quite good. So you would obviously, there's 3 levels to the boat, 4 if you include the fore and aft sections of the boat, but as you can see that goes there. This section here pops on top. There is a section here that pops into the section at the front, pulls very nicely, got a 2. And then we have a 3. Once I can get this in properly. So they all nicely line up. So I'll try and push this back a bit so it's in the centre. This then fits in to here. That pops onto the back here. And what you have is that these pieces of dowel just pop in to secure the boat in all sections, front and aft. Now there is one for the centre, but I think Paul needed one of the sections at some stage. But as you can see, that is the ship, and she's a little ripper. So quite good. So till next time, signing off, the Honourable John.